Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your speaker Anker Soundcore free using your phone. So basically all you need is a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C to your phone and the second one to your speaker. Right here we have USB-C port, so connect it here. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.